Alright, so this is the tab that comes from the Digitizer. This is the connector for the Digitizer. This is the connector for the trackball. This is the connector for the LED screen. This is the connector for the Digitizer that I fit through the hole that was in here, wrapped it up, under, over, and the back had an adhesive which sticks. Give it a good firm press. Sticks to that. It also has a tab that I've managed to stick underneath this copper plating. I just opened the copper a little bit, snuck the tab in, and then pressed it back down.